If you're wondering if your child might be on the autism spectrum, you're not alone, and you're definitely not without support. Getting an autism diagnosis is the first step toward unlocking the care and resources your child might need to truly thrive. But let's be honest, in Utah, that first step can feel overwhelming. Waitlists for autism evaluations, they can be long, sometimes 12 months or more. And while you're waiting, it's easy to feel stuck or unsure where to even begin. That's where we can help. At Rogue Behavior Services, we believe that timely access to autism evaluations shouldn't be a luxury. That's why we've partnered with 360 autism evaluations to help Utah families get reliable, faster autism assessments without the endless wait. 360 Autism Evaluations offers comprehensive diagnostic services by licensed professionals, whether you're seeking answers for your child, your teen, or even yourself as an adult. So no matter your age or stage, there's support here for you. Here's how it works. First, reach out to Rogue Behavior Services. One of our team members will talk with you, get to know your situation, and if an evaluation makes sense, we'll handle all the coordination with 360. No chasing down appointments, no navigating confusing systems. We'll guide you every step of the way. Once you're connected with 360, you'll do a brief screening questionnaire. Then, just answer a few quick questions about your child and daily life. We'll help you schedule a time with an evaluator. Most assessments take place right in the comfort of your own home. You'll complete 2 simple question-based assessments. And finally, you'll meet with a licensed psychologist who will walk you through the results and what comes next. When your child has a diagnosis, you'll finally have clarity and a roadmap for moving forward. That can mean access to insurance-funded ABA therapy support in school and more, all tailored to your child's unique needs. And the best part? There's no need to wait months to get started. If you're concerned about your child's development, trust your instincts and reach out. Early diagnosis means early intervention, and that can make a life-changing difference. Rogue Behavior Services is here for you. Together with 360 autism evaluations, we're making the path to answers and support faster and easier than ever. Call us today or visit our website to learn more about autism diagnosis in Utah.